Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
I think our preparations, I think they're just the same as we have been preparing for other, countries like Nigeria, Egypt, Zambia, and Ghana. All these teams are big teams in Africa, and there's no any other special arrangement or special training for that. But we have been tough on players, telling them why we're playing tomorrow's game, because it's very important. We are in the semi-finals, and when you are in the semi-finals, it means you have to prepare, you have to be ready for that game, because once we are through in semi-finals, it means we have reached finals, which is very important for us, and that will be another milestone for the country and for the players and the world technical panel. So we are ready for tomorrow's game. We are ready for this semi-final match, and I'm very sure that whatever we have prepared we're going to bear us fruits. We're going to give us positive result. Yeah, during our training, during our discussions, I think I've reminded the players that we should remove that mindset whereby you should think now we are home and dry, we have everything, we have achieved everything. No. We are not like that. Players, they are aware that I think it's another day tomorrow, another important game. And if we beat Algeria, it means we're in the finals. So my message, I think, to everyone, to Malawians, is that players that are not relaxing, they haven't gone to honeymoon. They're still thinking about tomorrow's game, and they are well prepared, I think, to give to the nation, I think, another victory. And I'm very sure that I think that victory is also coming tomorrow. And reaching finals, I think that will be a milestone. I think I'm very happy because I have 26 players in the team, which means every player which was selected to be in the squad, she's very important. She's a good player, and it's very true that we had some, players who did not play in the Zambia game, in the Ghana game, because of other, things. But I think we really rely or have confidence with every player which has been given the mandate to play, to be in the first 11. We saw Gondwe, our first game to play, and she have shown that she have capabilities and she have strength, I think, to be in the team. But this will come, I think, after myself, and I also going to consult my fellow coaches, that I think let's have a round table so that you can see who is going to start in tomorrow's game. But I can assure everybody that we're going to give you a good first 11 to start tomorrow. As I've said, that we're not going to bed, and we're not saying, since we have reached the semi-finals, it means all is well with us, with the team. But we have some, shortfalls which went through, and we have done our homework. We have also touched on goalkeeping, defense, as well as midfielders and strikers, so that I think we have tried to polish whatever mistake that we had in Ghana's game, so that I think come tomorrow, I think the team is ready. Come tomorrow, the team is going to perform very well, and I'm very sure that I think they're going to deliver in tomorrow's match. Thank you.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.